Hello guys, welcome back, and in this lesson I want us to see how to upload multiple files in LiveWire. So far in the application of our LiveWire we can upload a file, and now basically it is a single file, but in this lesson I want us to see how to upload multiple files in LiveWire. So when I go to LiveWire documentation here, the first thing that you need to do is just to ensure that this your variable here is an array. I'll go to my code here and I'll go inside the livewire class for creating this to do task. And now I'll change a couple of things. So one, we need to change this to be an array, and then if you go back you're told that on the save method, now what you'll do is that you will loop through this array and then get single files from this array, because this is an array of files, and then just call the store method, which is quite easy. So I'll go inside. So let us rename this to be photos now. So I'll go inside my save method where I'm saving this photo here, and I'm going to use store instead of store as. I'm going just to say store, and I'm going to remove the name, right? Because in that case I'll need to generate the name dynamically, and I'm not doing that now. And then I'll just use for each. For each, I'll say this. I'll say photos as photo, all right, as you can see here. And then I'll just pass our guy now. I'll just drag him inside here, all right, and then now this should be photo like this and not this photo. And that is all that you need to do on the backend side, that is on the class side. And now when you go on the front end side, you need to do a couple of things. And number one is that if I go to livewire documentation here, is that now when I go on front here, I need to pass this guy by the name multiple, right? So that is what we are going to do. So if I go here, photos, all right, just do that, should be photos. And then I need to add this keyword multiple like that. And then I believe that is it. Let's see anything else. And now on the error side, you need to add this guy dot asterisk photos dot our guy asterisk like that. And then also something else I forgot to do is that on the validation side of the class, you need now to specify, using this asterisk. So I'll go again there on the create to do. I'll go here on the photos. I'll paste that guy there. Okay, I need to put this on quotes, paste that guy, and I'll use this, like that. All right. This ought to be inside an array like so. Let me just confirm this again. Yeah, and we are good to go. We are good to go so far with that. So on the create multiple, on the errors, in the create class photos, and that, and I believe we are good. So let us do a refresh and see if this will work. So now if we go here, let us choose two files to upload and see. Let's choose this one and this one. Open, two file chosen, submit. If the name is required, those are required, submit this guy. Do created successfully. If I go to Livewire, we have photos, and we have our two files inside here. So that is how, guys, you upload multiple files. Nothing complex, nothing hard, very straightforward. Just add this validation to validate the multiple files. Make sure it is an array. Loop through the files, and also on the front end, make sure just to add multiple and ID photos. Yeah, and that is how you simply upload multiple files in LiveWire.